Welcome to Vandana's art class. We are going to make Mount Fuji, which is a very respected mountain of Japan, and we are going to make some cherry blossom. So this is a watercolor sheet. We have watercolors. In this palette, I have mixed here. This is the gray color. Then this is gray color plus this green, little bit of this green. Then this is gray color and little bit of this blue here. And this is white color with light blue color. Okay, and along with these, we will use black color. So first step, I'm going to show you. I will wet the paper. This is a watercolor paper, 300 GSM. And now I will use the lightest color and draw the outline with the paint, not with the pencil. So we'll just make random mountains, just random, okay? Not specific. Its paper is wet. So you can see here, I'm using gray color and I'm painting the outline of mountains. I'm using watercolors, but if you don't have watercolors, no tension. You can use any other brand of colors. Now we are going to start with the lightest color, which is this color. And we are filling this color here. Now our next color will be this. This color we are using. Just giving the impression of mountains. Very dull impression, somewhere dark, somewhere light. This is blue and green color mixed on the top of gray color. Leave some white space in the center. We have to leave white space.